Alright guys, this is Mr. McKee again. This is for NOS 130 and SEC 150 courses. I want to go ahead and show you guys how to log into your Global Protect client and also how to get to your Netlab system. Alright, so first thing you want to do, I give you a username and password in class, so go ahead and log in with the username, password. Alright, click login. Okay, you'll get these three links. Pick whatever processor you have, either 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows machine, or a Mac. Right? Most everybody's will be a Windows 64-bit. So click that. It'll start the downloader. It's globalprotect64.msi file. It's only about 24.8 megabytes, so it should be pretty fast. Alright, once that's done downloading, click on it. Alright, go through the setup wizard. This should be pretty fast. It'll start installing. That's fine. Alright. So bam, it's already done. Alright, so from here, and you should get a little pop-up down in your system tray that says disconnected. It looks like a little earth or a little globe with a little red circle with a white X in it. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get out of the way. Alright, click on that. Click on the globe, right click it. Alright, show panel. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and type this off the screen so I don't want everybody seeing my IP address. But it's the same IP address you logged in to the to download the client. Alright, username is the same. Test user in my case. Password. Alright, click connect. You'll get a little pop-up that says server certificate error. That's fine because the firewall itself has generated the certificate. Alright. You should get a little message retrieving configuration. It's downloading the certificate from this firewall. Just let it do its thing. Alright. And now what you're going to see is that little window that popped up, the status should go from connecting to connected. If you get any error warnings or errors, let me know, but hopefully everybody can be connected. Alright, once you're connected, an easy way to find out, go 192.168.254.42, hit enter. You're going to get another warning about the certificate. That's fine. Click the advance button on the bottom left. Click proceed. Alright, then you're going to get a Netlab system prompt. Alright, now this is another username and password that I'm going to supply to you in class. Hopefully my test user works. Let's see. Alright, if you put in the wrong password, that's what it looks like. If you put in the right password, this is what it's going to look like. Alright, it's going to prompt you. Your account password was reset and you have logged in using a temporary password. Please choose the new password for your account. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and move this off the screen. I want to make it a password. Alright, type the new password. Alright, so once you're logged in, you should see this. Welcome to Samson Community College. Alright, you got a couple links up here on the menu. Alright, really all you want to do is, you don't have anything in here yet. You can schedule a lab. Alright, I'm in all these classes because I'm teaching them or I'm administering them. So what you want to click on is the NOS 130 single user for that class. I haven't actually made up a SEC 150 class yet, but that'll show up in here also. But that'll have a Linux operating system. So say if you're in the NOS 130 class, click that. All right, scroll down here where it says reserve NDG 2 client, 2 server pod, no lab. Click that. All right, you should have 4 pods, give or take. I might add some more. All right, go ahead and if you want to schedule a reservation, click on there. Just verify what you're clicked on is what you want. Windows OS and networking, general pod 1. All right, start time is it's 5:10 or 17:10 right now. I want to reserve it until 1800, which is 6 o'clock. If you want to make it longer, you can make it up to 3 hours. All right, you can click down here. Say if I want to make it, well, it's 2000, which would be 8 o'clock. I can do that. I want to make this one short for this video. All right, so 39 minutes. Just remember, 10 minutes before your reservation's up, it's going to start restarting all your virtual machines. So make sure you don't get in that situation. 3 hours should be plenty of time. All right, go ahead and hit submit. Reservation, there's been 19 reservations, including that one. Click OK. All right, the time is right now, so click on that, enter lab. All right, so what happens? All right, when this comes up, this is pretty basic right now, but you have 2 Windows 10 machines, server 2012 and a server 2016. All right, content, nothing really in there right now. Status, you can check all your these are your 2 Windows 10. That's a server 2012 and server 2016. All right, those are in there. Now these are all running on NVMe drives, so they just started up, but they're already booted up. But you might want to give it a minute in case you're concerned it's not quite booted up. Don't worry that it shows that it didn't have internet access. That's actually what we want in this case. All right, click on that. These will be a standard password. All right, that'll log you into Windows 10. You can undock these if you want. It makes it a little bit easier to manage. Kind of like that. All right, that one, let's just, and you can't hit Control-Alt-Delete just on your keyboard for these. Hit right there. Password again. All right, server 2012 R2 is coming up. Good to go. All right, you can see all the stuff in there. Fast processor, Xeon Gold. Awesome. Running on VMware. All right, same thing with, okay. So we have that up. Now what I can do, let's get up command line. 92.168.30.2. You should be able to ping 30.2, 30.3, 30.4, and I think 30.5. Yep. All right, so everything's connected, everything's communicating. All right, that was a quick down and dirty how to get in here. And after you're done, when you're done, you don't have to shut these machines down really. You can, it's best practice in real life, shut them down. If you hit end reservation now, are you sure? Click yes. Reservation ended. All right. So now you can go in here and let's see, completed labs. All right, it shows you right there. You were in there for 0.05 hours, so not very long. All right. So that shows you. If you want to keep track of how long you're in there, you can do that if you want to. All right, and that, just make sure you log out of Netlabs. All right, and then finally make sure you click on the system tray on that world. It looks like it has a shield when it's connected, but if you right click that, click disable, and it's going to end that VPN connection. All right, and now if you go to the Netlab system, well, I'm local, so it's going to get to it anyways, but it's going to time out if you're at home. All right. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.